Hi guys, Sherry here at SciTech, and we've got another awesome SciTech Labs experiment for you. Today we're actually going to be making a rain cloud in a jar. So what I've got is I've got some shaving cream, I've got a medium-sized glass mason jar filled up with some water, I've got some water with a little bit of food coloring, and then I've got a pipette, or you can use anything you want. The spoon would work to spoon in the food coloring water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour, or actually cut a little bit of shaving cream in here. That's going to be our cloud. Now, clouds are made up of a lot of different rain droplets. Well, when those rain droplets get really heavy, the moisture in the water has to go somewhere. And so that's when a rain cloud will get so full and so full of mass that it will rain. So we're going to try and copy that. So I'm going to take my pipette and start putting in some water over top. Now what'll happen is as the shaving cream gets so full, it changes its mass, it gets heavier. So you'll start to see little rain striations or little rain patterns come out through the mason jar. Sometimes it does take a while, so be patient. You can kind of start seeing a little bit coming down. Right there, you can start seeing them. Oh, and there it goes. All right, guys, be sure to check back next week for another SciTech Labs video.